इन द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स बिफोर प्रीलिम्स बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि भाई हम एंग्जाइटी और बर्नआउट की तरफ चले जाते हैं एंड उससे निकल के फिर हम कभी कभार ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं वेयर वी टेक थिंग्स अ लिटिल टू ईजी which is what brings me to today's video where we want to find a middle path, and this is called desirable difficulty. Let me explain. Desirable difficulty is this कि this is pressure or stress on the x-axis and this is performance, right? So stress and performance have a curved relationship कि till a point you need a certain amount of stress to perform your best. ऐसा होता है ना कि भाई मतलब when the subject is too easy, I'm feeling sleepy, I'm not even fully focused. How many of you have felt that if the subject is too easy, I'm just like कि हाँ ठीक है हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा, मतलब I'm just sort of turning pages. And when the subject is too hard, so then it becomes कि oh shit I can't do this, right? So that is here. This is the oh shit part. This is the too easy part. तो ये oh shit और too easy के बीच में there is the zone of optimal performance. This is what I mean by desirable difficulty. कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे too easy में खेल रहा हूँ, I'm not achieving my potential. I'm not doing all I can do. If I'm only doing the easy questions, if I'm not pushing myself to do more, to do harder questions, to increase the difficulty for myself, so then, I'm not doing the best that I can. I'm leaving room for myself. Now, sometimes it just so happens that personally speaking, मैं हमेशा मुझे लगता था कि मैं over effort डाल के exam के दिन I want to make the exam too easy. So I would generally, strain myself a lot more. I would be over on this side slightly of the performance. Optimal performance exam से पहले मेरा नहीं होता था when I look back at it. Maybe if I had cut back down on it a little bit more, things might have been slightly different. But that's the idea. कि मुझे क्या चाहिए था? I wanted the exam to be too easy because I wanted to feel that confidence during the exam. So for that, I pushed myself hard before the exam. But इतना जोर से भी पुश नहीं करना है that I go to oh shit I am feeling burnt out now, because see in the end ये burnout अगर आपको हो रहा है in these last 4 weeks, तो you are not helping your chances of clearing prelims. ये एक balance है. Sometimes you will be on this side, sometimes you will be on this side. तो seesaw balance है. अगर आपको लग रहा है आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो try and push yourself more. अगर आपको लग रहा है आप यहाँ जा रहे हो तो try to relax a little bit. This is something that you have to do for yourself. You have to listen to your body. If your body is saying कि भैया दर्द हो रहा है तो रुक जाओ, थोड़ा थम जाओ, धीरे चलो. अगर बॉडी को लग रहा है कि भैया यार जब बहुत ही चिल है, मतलब कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है, तो maybe try to push yourself a little more. And this zone of optimal performance will be very different for each and every one of us, right? So if you have touched the burnout zone right now, try to relax a little, take a day off. अभी 4 हफ्ते बचे हैं, I don't care, take a day off if you're feeling burnt out, right? And if you're feeling too comfortable, too bored, push yourself. We want to be at that optimal performance का place where stress, a certain amount of stress is giving me the maximum performance that I can bring out in any given moment. ठीक है? ये बेसिक एक चीज आपको याद रखनी है, and this is something that's going to be very very helpful for you in the next 4 weeks. If feeling burnt out, relax, ठंडे रहो, टेंशन नहीं लो. अभी भी in these last 4 weeks, if you are burnt out already, do not be concerned about taking 2 days off, क्योंकि वो 2 दिन की छुट्टी will reset you from here to here and will make the rest of the 25-26 days that you have left much more, performance oriented or efficient. But if I try to push myself in this phase more and more, I will just get tired. I will just get anxious. I will just start getting jitters, I will start having indigestion, I will start just getting headaches, migraine, all of these things will start happening. तो अगर ये हो रहा है, take 2 days off. Doesn't matter, कोई मतलब नहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It will be helpful for you in the long run of even a month.